Hi people, today again I want to welcome you to my channel, and I just want to let you know that I am sharing one of the most important strategies for you to be able to rank on Google, okay, and AI for you to be able to start making money online selling digital products. I have crafted a great PDF here for you, step by step, what you need to be able to use SEO and start selling digital products. And I call this unlocking SEO profits with digital products. So basically, this is part of what I teach my members. Everybody that becomes a member of Resell Rights Empire. By the way, let me just pop Resell Rights Empire here, and just to show you what we have here as regards to the website. As you can see, we're working on this. It's a great platform for you to become part of the community, access every part of products we have, access all the products that we have on this platform, so you can start selling digital products, right? Digital product, great digital product that truly matters, what people are looking for, what people will definitely buy, what people are buying, so you can start selling and start making money. For you to become a member and have access to everything that we have on the platform, you simply need to come to the membership and come down to the membership levels right here and scroll all the way down and become a member. So if you choose to become a member of Resell Rights and have access to the e-learning, which is basically all the digital products that we have, and the digital store, we have to have the 97 subscription, which will give you access to all the digital products and all the video courses, right? But let's go back to this PDF, which is what I truly want to share with you and help you start using SEO and making profit selling digital products. And I want to say this: if you are trying to sell digital products and you are relying on social media, building on a rented land, basically that can go any day and go away, and you will not be able to make money. But SEO is how you get buyers finding you every day with 247, or being online or being on live on any of these platforms 247, for you to be able to attract people. You create great content, that content making money forever if you do right and you're consistent. So who is this for? Basically, who wants to sell digital products and make money online is who needs this video. And you truly need this video, because again, let me remind you, if you sell digital products, templates, courses, resell rights, or all done for you assets, this video will show you step by step SEO system that turns Google into daily traffic, plus a sale machine that you can create and make money forever. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to publish first and how to go about it and start making money. So let's start with number one here. Again, I said number one, which is again some of the most important things you need to know. So why SEO is perfect for digital products? Basically, digital products win with SEO because people search for these products. They are looking for it, and they are intent customers because they are ready to take action. They want to buy, or they want to start selling, they want to learn, which is why we call the intent customers. And you can't go wrong. It's just very important for you to understand that these people are ready to take action, and you need to attract them consistently for you to turn that traffic into profit. So you can rank on pages, all right? Let me just say what is here. You can rank one page and it says forever, maybe for months, for years, if you are able to do it right. Your margins are high because every sale basically is pure profit. You are not advertising, you are not spending money on ads, so everything that gets through you is basically pure profit. So there's a spike. SEO is a pipeline. It continues and brings you traffic and money consistently. So number two on the list is basically 3 keywords types that make you money. Okay, you have sets of all these keywords that I need you to know, and I have grouped them in A and B and C. So let's talk about A right here. So buyer intent keywords, okay, money keywords. These people are ready to purchase, all right? So you can use keywords like resell rights products, okay, or buy resell rights, or buy resell rights bundle, John for you digital product bundle, resell rights costs, or vs resell rights, where to buy digital products to resell. So these are the keywords that basically, let me just show you right here. These are the keywords that people are looking at your products and they are searching using these keywords, and you have to craft your content these keywords for you to be able to rank. So B here is problem slash solution keywords, basically warm buyers that definitely, you pull them and then you convert them into, customers. So what are the keywords right here? How to start selling digital product, how to price digital products, how to market resale rights, how to sell digital products without showing your face, this platform to sell digital products. These are the keywords we use to attract these warm buyers, all right? And then make sure we are consistent with them, whether we're using email marketing to be able to get them to buy your digital products. And on the C bucket, comparison slash proof keywords, decision stage. So these people are ready to make the decision, but they're looking at reviews. So you are trying to craft content that tells them that, right, you have great reviews, you have reputation, you build reputation, and you are trying to compare products. So Stan Store versus Shopify, what works better, using System IO versus ClickFunnels for digital products, best email marketing for digital products. So you are trying to write content around these products for you to be able to attract these customers as well, because they are definitely searching using these keywords, and you can attract them and get them to become your customers. So number 3 is the SEO content ladder right here. What posts in order, right? What you have to post, plus also in the order you are going to post it. So here is a content ladder that works for resale rights or digital products, basically. So step 1, hub. So the page, your money page, which is your landing page or your front page where people can land, okay? And you have to define keywords like, resale rights, digital products, start here, beginner guide, and plus best bundles. You will have all of that craft on your page, right? And this page links everything else, all right? So every other thing is going to link to this page. So step 2, you have like 10 problem posts, right? You write blog posts around these keywords. So how to start selling digital products, how to sell digital product without paid ads, how to write product descriptions that converts, how to build simple funnels for digital products. These are the content that you're going to create, and you will create this content around these key phrases, these titles, and be able to rank. And definitely don't forget, you will have to link that back to the main page. So you have stage 3, which again, you create like 10 comparison posts. So resale rights versus PLR, what is the difference? Best platforms to sell digital product, Stan Store versus, System IO for beginners. You will create content, whether it's video, just to even talk about some of these things to get people to basically, convert. All right. And then you have step 4, which is again, creating 10, product-led post review plus use cases. So you can go out and do some case studies and write content like, best resale rights products for beginners, best digital products for resale in 2026. You can use the year, it could be 2027 or 2028. All of that is how you can craft that content ladder and post it gradually and be able to rank with those keywords or on those keywords and be able to attract, massive amount of people to your website or store to be able to start selling digital products. So number 4 is the page from ladder ranks and convert. Basically, what you do here to rank at the same time when people land on those pages, you convert them to customers. So use this simple structure for every post. Okay, so hook the exact search. So yes, right, you start selling digital products even if you have no audience. Is possible, right? So this hook again is going to attract those people, make them interested, and then they continue reading that post. Of course, you don't want them to bounce. So define the problem, teach, traffic, confidence, and be consistent, right? And 3 here, you have like give a sample framework. You can just give a sample framework, 3 to 5 days or roadmap. You write on this type of content People need them, people love them, and people will read this type of content, and definitely you keep them interested and they become your customer. So for here you add proof. So again, if they give you reviews, you got all of that, you have it on your page, and it shows trust. It shows that people truly love what you're selling and great experience working with you. So example, mistake to avoid, works, all of that, you create content around it and definitely be able to attract this customer. So 5 is CTA that matches the ladder, right? If a beginner load the bundle stage, watch the walkthrough, ready, get instant access. So basically, this is the CTAs that you're going to use. So CTA is basically action. So CTA is basically call to action. So these are the call to action buttons that you will use, or the type of content you can add to those pages for you to be able to get these people to take the right action. So if you don't tell them what to do next, Google traffic won't turn into sales. So you have to use the CTAs basically to get these people to take the right action so they can make you money. All right. Let's look at number 5. What we have here is the fastest SEO win for free channel, right? So here is the fastest part. So make one killer beginner guide. All right. So guide people through what they need to know, what they need to do for them to be able to start selling digital products. Then make city pages, style equivalent, right? But for niches, okay, your specific niche. Example, niche pages, digital product for moms, digital products for coaches, digital product for real estate agents, digital products for fitness, digital product for AC sellers, right? So you have to kind of craft, content around specific niches and segregate that on your website. So everybody that needs specific digital products will be able to find you and be able to go to the right section of your website and be able to get that. So each niche page becomes a landing page for the audience. All right. So number 6 here, let's look at what is the biggest mistake people make. Now, you are again crafting content to help people avoid the mistakes that they could potentially make, and basically don't make any money selling digital products, which is a big deal, right? There are a lot of people who try these things and they do it wrong, and at the end of the day they get tired after a few months and just crash out and say it's not working. It's basically doing the right thing that matters. So if you're telling them the mistakes to avoid, they will avoid those mistakes and they'll be able to do the right thing, and over time be able to rank, be able to make money, and they will come back with all these testimonies, right? So broad fluff, all right, no intent, no sales. So just like when people say, oh, I'm going to create content, they will just go out there and write content based on what they think, not doing the right research, not understanding exactly what they need to do, and do all they think is right even though it's not right, and then at the end of the day they don't rank. So not building internal links. So again, internal links are very important. Google can't understand your website. Google loves structure, which is why you need to internally link your website, link your content for you to get Google to understand what you are talking about, or what your website is all about, or what your landing pages are all about. So they will understand and help you rank and get you those those people coming to your website. So no lead capture. Now, email list turns 1 sale into 10, right? So if you don't have email strategy, you are not collecting emails and you are not doing email marketing, trust me, you are going to limit how much sales you're going to make. So it's very important for you to have email strategy and start sending email. Get those people to give their emails, drop their emails, so that you can follow up with them and get them to continuously buy from you. Only targeting how to keywords. You need buyer keyword too. So not just how to, but buyer keywords that you need to use. Okay. So closing right here, as I say, CTAs, call to action, very important. So closing right here, so what I want you to understand is I have made another video that I walk people through how you can be able to craft content using SEMrush. All right, I use SEMrush and I use keyword. The video will be right under this channel. I'm going to have it in the description, and I'm going to have it on the video right here. So closing right here, so CTA is very important. So call to action, you have to get those people to be able to subscribe. Okay, so we stop at 6 here, but basically, just closing right here, what you have to understand again is you have to track everything that works and you have to monitor what is working and what is not working for you to be able to consistently modify your content, work on your content, and again, craft the right content. So I have a full video where I kind of show you using SEMrush. Okay, SEMrush, as you know, is the best tool out there. So I use SEMrush and I teach you how you can be able to craft content. All right, craft the right content. Let me just show you what I did. But again, I will have that video in the description. Go to that video, see how I use SEMrush to craft great content and show you keyword strategies. I'll show you in a minute here too. So right here, as you can see, I have crafted, great content right here. I will have this video in the description. So right here, as you can see, I craft some content strategy here. I mapped up the right keywords that you can be able to, use and, rank all the type of keywords that you need to work on for you to be able to rank and get quality SEO traffic or search engine traffic and start selling digital products. And this is very, very important. In that video, I teach you step by step how you can be able to do this. And again, craft content using this tool, like this type of content that I have here. This will help you rank within a short period of time and be able to get quality traffic and start selling. So don't miss any of these videos. Okay, these videos are very important if you want to truly make money online selling digital products. And subscribe to this channel because I have a lot to teach you. You don't want to miss these videos. So subscribe. And again, if you need me to help you basically without even being a member of Resell Rights, just drop it in the comment section and let me know what you're working on. I'll be able to craft content strategy and give you the right keywords that will help you write content around it and rank and start making money using SEO. All right, so this is all I have for you for this video today. But again, if you want to become a member of Resell Rights Empire, which again, you will have access to our digital product. Plus, again, I teach you everything you need to know. I help you set up your store. I help you have a product on your store and what you need to do to start selling online. So how to get here, you basically come to resellrightsempire.com and come to membership and click on membership levels. It will take you to this page and you scroll all the way down and then you will have access to this part of the page and click right here to become a member of Resell Rights Empire. And I will see you, right? Because I will welcome you and I will teach you all you need to know to start selling digital products online. So again, this is the end of this video. I will see you in my next video and thank you so much for watching this video to the end and I will see you soon.